Okay. Module 10, assignment 2. Create conditional formulas. All right. Go ahead and open that up. Okay. Summarize data that meets specific conditions. All right. Create conditional formulas in the Excel from chapter 3. Okay. And then perform the following task. In cell G3, right? G3, create an if formula. So equals if, open parentheses, and then give it a logical test where F3 is greater than or equal to 35,000. All right. So where F3 is greater than or equal to 35, 1, 2, 3. All right, so if this is true, then I want you to say request discount. This is not true. No discount available. Okay. Oops. There's a problem with my formula. So I've got to do double parentheses instead of single parentheses, I believe. Okay. Now I'm gonna, so you could click and you could drag, but because this is a series of numbers right here, I could double click and it'll do it for me. Okay. Here we go. All right. So now copy the formula from G4 to the rest of them. Done. Okay. Right. And now we're going to say, what does it want us to do? Where the type column equals box. So create a formula to average if, so equals average if. All right. Now, when I'm typing in here, once I hit equals, again, this, it notifies Excel that we're going to be doing a function. I could click on this function. I could come over here. I could look for average. Okay. I could click on this. Give me the rundown on what this is doing. Finds average at arithmetic mean for the cells specified by a given condition or criteria. So my condition or criteria is here that the type column contains the value box. Okay. So average if, and now I'm going to hit tab. Some computers it's enter. It just kind of depends. You'll have to get used to your machine. So first thing is the range. Okay. For my if condition. So where do I want to look for this type condition? That's under the type column. So I'll select this range. These are the ones I want you to look for. So if box is here, now I'm going to spell box, so it knows what it's looking for. And then I'm going to tell it what set of data to average. I want to know the average expense if the type is box. Okay. So now we should be able to confirm this. So we see these are all of our boxes. So we're just going to do a quick equals. I'm just going to do an average since it's sorted. Because one, I'm going to get an average of these ones that I can see visually are a box, but if you've got a really large thing of data, you don't want to have to go through that. So yes, these equal one another. So this worked out well. I did this correctly. All right, in cell I6 now, I'm going to create a formula that finds the sum of all expenses. So I'm going to start typing sum where the type column contains envelope and the destination column contains international. So this is something different. Let me start searching sum, see where we go. I've got sum if that it gives me one condition. What I need is sum ifs. This is multiple conditions. Okay, so sum ifs, these are the conditions. So the range, the numbers I want you to sum are these. So I'm going to select those first. Okay. The criteria, range 1, is my type again. Here, I'm interested in those that say envelope. My second criteria is international. Select this range, national. Okay. And then I'm going to close my parentheses because I'm done. Okay, so now it's summed those that are both international and envelope. So it looks like to be this little portion here. So I'm just going to really quickly sum these guys just to confirm. It looks like, yep, my calculation's true. Go ahead and save. That's this assignment.